Ever wonder why you can't stop scrolling through bad news? Let's get into it.
You know the scene. It's late, your eyes burn, and there's this low hum of anxiety.
You're absorbing all this awful stuff. War, collapse, anger, and it feels absolutely terrible.
And yet, you just can't stop. That thumb just keeps on moving, swipe, swipe.
Yep, there's a name for this, doomscrolling. But what's really going on here?
Well, it's basically a collision, your ancient brain versus modern tech. It's a perfect trap. So, let's break down how this trap works. Part 1 is all about your brain.
See, our brains are literally hardwired to look for danger. It's how we survived.
Think of it like this. Good stuff is Teflon. It just slides right off. Bad stuff? Pure Velcro. And social media platforms, they know this. They're designed to weaponize that Velcro effect. You trick yourself into thinking you're preparing, but you're actually just drowning in information.
Okay, so that's the ancient brain, part of the trap. Now for part 2, the chemicals.
This is all about dopamine, but not for pleasure. It's the molecule of seeking.
That infinite scroll feature, it's basically a digital slot machine built on unpredictable rewards.
So every single swipe is a gamble, pulling you deeper into this addictive seeking loop. So what happens when you smash these two powerful forces together? The results are not good.
First, you've got that ancient survival system, always on high alert, always looking for danger.
And then you feed it an endless 24/7 stream of potential threats. What could go wrong? The result is what you might call a zombie state. You're not really in control anymore. Your rational brain goes offline. Willpower? Gone. You even start to lose track of time.
You're not choosing to be miserable. The algorithm is now choosing for you.
And here's the bottom line. Your anxiety is literally being turned into their ad revenue.
That feeling of being informed, it's an illusion. You're not preparing, you're drowning.
So now that you can see the trap, the real question is, can you escape it?
But here's the thing. What if we're fighting the wrong enemy? It's not about your willpower.
I mean, you're literally fighting a supercomputer. And guess what? That computer never gets tired. It's a perfectly designed, infinite loop. There's no chapter end to tell you when to stop.
So here's the big idea. Stop fighting the posts. You gotta fight the platform itself.
Okay, tactic number 1. We need to add some friction back into the system.
These small changes create a pause, giving your brain just enough time to say, wait a minute.
All right, next up is a big one, active engagement. Stop consuming and start doing.
It's all about trading that cheap dopamine from scrolling for the expensive dopamine of creating something real.
You're literally retraining your brain to find satisfaction in action, not just passive observation.
So what about all the anxiety? Well, there's a powerful mindset shift for that.
Doomscrolling traps us in the circle of concern, which just makes us feel totally helpless.
The antidote, focus on what you can control. The small, immediate things right in front of you.
And that's how you go from feeling anxious to actually feeling empowered. It's a game changer.
Okay, here it is. The one crucial question to ask yourself when you're scrolling.
And there's your answer. If it paralyzes you, it isn't news, it's just noise. Time to log off.